Last year, Samsung made it clear that it had partnered with Qualcomm for high-end smartphone chipsets. However, this hasn't stopped Samsung from continuing to develop its own Exynos chips in-house. The Exynos chipsets are Samsung's way of competing with Apple's A-series chips, as they strive to create their own chipsets instead of relying on external sources. Unfortunately, the Exynos chipsets have not been able to make a strong impression so far. This is why there is some concern surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 if the rumors turn out to be true. There are two possibilities in this scenario. According to a post on X by Arexta, it is claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S25 in 2025 could exclusively feature Exynos chips. However, the tipster clarifies that this is merely a rumor they heard, and it did not come from their usual source, so it should be taken with a grain of salt for now. If it does turn out to be true, it would be quite disappointing unless Samsung has a new Exynos chipset that can outperform Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. There are several reasons why people generally dislike the Exynos chipsets. They tend to have inferior thermals, power efficiency, and are slightly slower compared to Qualcomm's offerings. Additionally, customers do not have the option to choose which chipset they prefer. This means that in some regions, customers are essentially paying the same price for a device with inferior performance. The Galaxy S25 lineup, set to be released in 2025, will feature the Exynos 2500 as its processor. However, Samsung will still honor its agreement with Qualcomm by using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or its for Galaxy variant on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip 7. According to ex-leaker TechRev, the Exynos 2400 will be the last of its kind, and Samsung will give its successor a different name. Surprisingly, an all-Exynos lineup might not be as unfavorable as it once was. The Exynos 2500, internally known as the Dream Chip, is Samsung's highly anticipated return to the mobile AP space. With its node advantage over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, it has the potential to challenge Apple's dominance. Although Qualcomm recently extended its deal with Samsung, rumors suggest that only the Galaxy Z Foldable series will exclusively use Snapdragon chips. This implies that Samsung and Qualcomm's partnership may continue, but not for the Galaxy S flagship phones. As nothing has been officially confirmed yet, we'll have to wait and see. So, what are your expectations for Samsung's upcoming Exynos chipset? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. See you next time. Peace out.